Alex attended the only Seventh-day Adventist school on the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. These islands sit in the Bay of Bengal. They are part of India, even though they sit closer to Southeast Asian countries of Myanmar and Indonesia. Alex has fond memories of learning at this island school.
I love teachers in this school because they teach me very kindly.
The school's curriculum is based on the Bible. They only have 3 teachers, but what they lack in quantity, they make up for in quality of teaching.
The school starts with prayer, then after that, before they are going to classes, they starts with some story related to Bible. So that they, after telling that, they will teach them one memory verse every day.
This school has a positive reputation in the community. Every parent wants to see their child succeed, which is why Alex's parents trusted the Adventist school to educate their son. Unfortunately, the school only offers nursery and preschool levels for kids. The students have to look for other education options once they finish preschool.
Last year we had 32 students. Among those, 9 were graduated. That means they finished UKG, upper KG, then went to other school because we don't have the higher studies. Then primary school we don't have.
At his new school, Alex was required to attend class on the Sabbath. But thanks to his prior education, he was able to defend his faith to his teacher.
I told to my teacher that the 4th commandment is we have to follow the Holy Sabbath. So I have to go to the Sabbath because I will obey to God. So I told to my teacher that if I don't listen to my Lord, then how is it possible to listen to you? So I have to go to church.
After discussions between the teacher and Alex's parents, Alex now has the Sabbath off. Alex is not alone in facing the challenge of attending school on Sabbath. Other Adventist students face the same problem. That's why this quarter we can help expand the Adventist school beyond preschool all the way through high school.
Please pray for our church ministry in Andaman Nicobar Islands. All our church members praying for an Adventist school in a higher level, that is till up to high school, because all Adventist children should continue their education here itself without any problem, without any difficulties.
A portion of your 13th Sabbath offering this quarter will help build the new Seventh-day Adventist English school in Andaman and Nicobar Islands, providing a higher level of education so more people can learn about the love of Jesus.
Thank you so much for supporting us through 13th Sabbath School mission offerings.